Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie and today we are going to be cash planning my first check of April. We are going to be cash planning out $2,100 for today. So let's go ahead and jump right into today's video. So I'm going to go ahead and put 2,100 in my calculator. I'm going to start with my cash wallet. I do hope that everyone is doing well. It is kind of cloudy here today, so my lighting is not the best, but hopefully it'll do. And also the sun's going down too. So I'm going to try to get through this as quickly as I possibly can. So let's go ahead and jump into giving. Giving does have some rollover, 20, 40, 50, and 55. But I am going to be keeping that in there. My nail, and it hurts the side of my nail. Yikes. I'm going to be adding an additional 50. And I'm going to do that with 2 20s and 110. Groceries is empty. I am going to be adding $70 for groceries this time. We'll do 150 and 120. Gas is empty as well. This time I am going to do $60. So let's see, we'll do 2 20s. And two 10s, 20, 40, 50, 60. Yeah. Okay. Miscellaneous is going to get its normal 30. We'll do 120 and 110. And that is all that is going to be stuffed for my cash wallet this time. So let's go ahead and subtract this out from 2,100 minus 50 minus 70 minus 60 minus 30. So that equals 1,890. So next, let's go ahead and move over to the bills that need to be taken care of out of this check. I do have a new bill too, but we'll get to that in just a moment. So mortgage is going to be getting $222. We'll do 2 100s, 120, and then 2 1s. Slingshot will be $350. We'll do 3 100s and 150. Easy Pay is going to be getting $82. So we'll do 150, 120, 110, and 2 1s, 50, 60, 70, 80, 82. Phone will be 25, 120, and 15. Subscriptions is 20, so we'll do $120 bill. Credit cards is going to be 154. So we'll do 100, 150, and 4 1s. For utilities, let's see, water will get $80. So we'll do 150, 120, and 110. Wi-Fi is going to be getting $60. So let's just do 150 and 110. Sewer will get its normal $23. 120 and 3 1s. Swepco, I'm gonna stuff $50 in Swepco, but I am gonna break it up to 2 20s and 110. I have money left in here because, so I have $110 in here. I have money left in Swepco because my last bill was only $5. So there, something happened. ADT is going to get 25. So 120 and 15. And that will wrap up utilities. I'm just gonna check that I am still recording. Okay, nothing in insurance. Taxes is going to get 150. So one $100 and $150 bill. Business is going to get 90. So that is going to be 150 and 220s. And then I had to get the roof replaced on our rental property. So now I have a roof repair bill. I'm wondering if I should put that on my debts. Let me go grab an envelope that I'm going to use for that. And then I am not going to put it on my debts, even though it is a debt at this time and point. But I'm not going to, I'm going to have to stuff it out of every check. Yeah, I want to put it in here because I need to stuff that. Let me grab an envelope real quick. I'll be right back. So I found these two envelopes that I got as freebies with some orders that I ordered in the past. So this one right here feels more sturdy. So I think I'm going to use the butterfly. All right, so I'm going to add this. Ooh, oh, I can write on there too, you guys. Okay, let me get my wet erase marker. Okay, I want to, and I'm going to just put roof repair. Okay, so I'm going to leave that out to kind of dry. So for roof repair, it's going to be $77. So we'll do 50, 60, 70, 75, 76, and 77. Okay, so that is all for my bills binder. Let's go ahead and move over to savings challenges. Yeah, we'll do savings challenges and then we'll do debt. Okay, so for April, I am still working on the similar savings challenges as before. I have my envelope, I have my mini monthly, and then I have my mystery scratch off, which I have gone ahead and scratched off everything. So I'm just going to write it down and pull the money from the bank. So for the monthly envelope, this time I am going to do 80 and 20. So that is 100. But I am going to, let me see. We could do 50, we could do 2 20s and 110. We'll do it like that. Okay, and then for my scratch off, so this right here is the scratch off. It's $63. So we'll do 3 20s and 3 1s. And then for the mini monthly, we have 17. So we'll do 110, 15, and 2 1s. And that is what we plan on doing for savings challenges. Okay, for debts, let's get into that. And that'll be the last. Oh, you know what? I forgot to subtract. So let me start subtracting. So we got 222 minus 350 minus 82 minus 25 minus 20 minus 154 minus 80 minus 60, minus 23, minus 50, minus 25, minus 150, minus 90, minus 77 for bills. So we're left with 482, minus 100, minus 63, minus 17, 302. Everything is fine. I am at 302, and that is correct. So for my debts, we are going to be paying $188 to QVC. We are going to do Capital One, $60. Apple. Okay. So we have 188 minus 60 minus 50. And then $4 for buffer. Alrighty, so when I do 2100 minus 298, that equals 1802 minus $4, 1798. That is the number that I'm looking for when I add everything up and total it. So let's do my tallies, and then I will be right back. Alrighty, so I have brought down all my denominations and tallied those up. So we have 700 plus 500 plus 460 plus 100 plus 20 plus 18. It does equal 1798. So that is correct. So at this point, I am ready to go ahead and get my cash breakdown ready. I will do that off camera. I will just be getting that ready to take to the bank, and then come back tomorrow to do my cash stuffing. And I'm going to be changing out my cash wallet to some springtime envelopes. So please stay tuned. I am so thankful that you have stayed this far with me. I'm going to go ahead and do our inspiration for today and see what it says. Uh-oh, pulling from the wrong side. The God of love and peace will be with you, 2 Corinthians 13 and 11. And on that note, I hope that you guys stay blessed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.